Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the exact text you want larger. Click and drag or press Ctrl plus it to select all. Once the text is selected, move immediately to the Home tab on the ribbon where the font group lives. You do this because the size controls are co-located with font family and style. That makes change immediate and visual. If you prefer keyboard speed, press Alt plus H, then F followed by S to jump to the font size box quickly. Now change the size. Click the font size box and type a number like 18, then press Enter so Word applies that exact point size. Alternatively, use the Increase Font Size button. It steps through common sizes and helps you preview proportions. Once done, note you can also use shortcuts. Ctrl plus Shift plus or Ctrl plus increases size incrementally for fast adjustments. Make sure to watch text flow afterward so line breaks and layout remain acceptable in your document. Finish by checking overall appearance. Larger font can affect spacing and pagination, so inspect line spacing and reflow and adjust paragraph spacing or margins as needed. If you must change many headings or body paragraphs, update the appropriate style so every instance scales consistently. If the size does not change, make sure the document is not protected and the font you chose is installed. If Word substitutes a fallback font, install the desired font or pick an available alternative to resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.